Yeah, in this video we are going to see how to add a weighing scale product in your system, weighing product in your Riyalo accounting software. Go to open products and then press new. Okay, here you can see the first column barcode. If what is the item code, if for example the item code is 10001 or any other things, 5-digit code will be the before adding just add 99 and that your code. Okay, so it will be 9910001 and item code will be same itself 9910001. Then the item name, for example tomato. Then the group, if the group is not here you can create the group here. Okay, I'm selecting a group for example, and just under the MRP section, then save it. It is saved. Okay, then go to sales section, 99. When you scan the weighing code here, it will automatically detect the weight and price and the total price.